Two-year-old girl is back with her family and healthy tonight after a battle with not just the coronavirus, but a serious health condition called Kawasaki Disease. Channel 8's Tyler Butler shows us their road to recovery and how their story is impacting families with young children across the country.
So it was around Easter when she developed the fever.
2-year-old Kyla Voegerl was on the front end of a mystery disease. The appearance of a strawberry red tongue and cracked lips made her mom, Alexandria, realize her daughter could be looking at a rare inflammatory condition called Kawasaki Disease.
The practitioner said that she had seen that, but it didn't look like it, but they were going to run the tests, and they said it was consistent with Kawasaki's, and they wanted her to be admitted to OU Children's.
That's when things got even harder. Kyla also tested positive for COVID-19.
I had been reading about COVID, but it was so weird because it wasn't all of the symptoms of COVID, so it's so hard. It's hard to understand.
Our understanding of COVID-19 in children is still so new, and it's changing daily, weekly.
Dr. Nicholas Peterson says the Voegerls were on a path similar to some families across the country who are fighting a similar disease that also seems connected to COVID-19.
They're specifically not calling it Kawasaki disease for those kids that you're seeing in the news that are, suffering heart attacks and spending lots of time in the ICU. I think there's some key differences in some of those cases. So I think it's a very similar disease process, but it's also important to kind of note that there is a distinction between them.
Doctors are still working to understand the connections between COVID and this other disease called MIS-C. The Voegerl family is just glad they and the doctors acted fast.
It was like the scariest thing for me because this is my baby, but he was so kind and just calm.
Kyla is doing well now, still getting periodic checkups, but I want to leave you with this one image. This is Kyla's father, Matt Voegerl. He was just stationed in Korea, just got home as this all started, and couldn't hold his wife or his daughter for weeks because of his quarantine and then their quarantine. All of them are now reunited. Reporting in Tulsa, Tyler Butler, Tulsa's Channel 8.
So glad they're all together and okay. Doctors say if your children are seeing symptoms like severe abdominal pain, trouble breathing, fever, or even a rash, you should contact a doctor immediately to begin care fast if it's necessary.